Long time no record. But I just got something in the mail today. Has to do with that. Obviously a case, because we care for all here. So let's open this up. See what's in here. Alright. So let's look at this. Dual layered hybrid heavy duty protective case. 360 protection, shock resistant, scratch resistant, accurate cutout, and dual layered design for the Macbook Pro 13-inch, 26, and 2017. Well, it didn't say that, but that was on the description, so it better be true. Same thing, even though. All right, nothing else. Just open it through here. This better be worth your money. I'm afraid to take my MacBook out anyway. It ain't cheap, MacBooks ain't cheap. Alright. So they just seal it up from what I see. So just tear time. See what they say first. Okay. Thank you. We appreciate your business and look forward to hearing from you. All right, they probably won't hear from me because I don't really like doing those, survey things, but all right, it depends. All right. So this is for the bottom piece because we got the grips on each end. Hold up, the light. The light's kind of bad right now. Hold up. Let me go turn on the other light. See if it helps a little. I should probably turn it off from the wall. So let's see if we can see that a little better now. Grips. Nice texture. Protects the bottom. I thought, oh crap, we're already getting it dirty. Is that on that side? No, it's on this side. Crap. Oh, it's supposed to be like that? Okay. So it's just held in from the center pieces. So the edges actually, you could put your finger through. I'm alright with that. So let's go quick grab our MacBook Pro. Alright. So I'll get back to you once I finish putting it together. There we go. Believe it or not, it took a while. I never put on a case for a computer. Don't mind the dirty screen or my dictionary, but yeah. Just lift it up. Now I don't have to treat it like a little baby. I'm really liking the grips because I've never liked to wear out the grips on the laptop itself. Never have. There's a plastic coating on both sides. It's just transparent. I really like this. I really do. Got the little lip to lift it up. Oh yeah, I'm satisfied. Now I don't have to treat it like a little baby. All right, so let's take that beauty out of the way. Just a camera on the ugly desk. And I have a bonus little package that I also ordered on the same day. This one was kind of like rushed. I should find a better placement for the tripod. Okay, so this one was an impulse. Like, I've realized that I've dropped my AirPods a little too many times for comfort. So here she is. They're in my ear right now, so yeah. So I need a little carrying case for her as well. So, ooh. Here it is. What's this strap for? See, that's how you know it was an impulse buy. I didn't look at everything. I just saw that it protected it. I liked it. Ooh, okay, I don't like that. See how it can't open all the way? Because of the little flap right there. Hold on, let me bring that better to light. Where the freak is the camera? Yeah, right there. That little flap. Force closes it. I mean, well, the button's good. Quick grab them. It feels really solid actually, but I don't like that. I actually read in the comments section that is a little annoying. What you gonna do, right? These are a little strap. I think this is, yeah, this is a strap to put around your arm, and you can actually wear your AirPods. See, that'll look ridiculous right next to my Apple Watch. So I'm just gonna be walking around like that, looking like James Bond with a whole bunch of gadgets. Yeah, no thank you. But yeah, I'll leave the links to these things down in the description. Hope you enjoyed. I know it's been a while. Peace.